In this video, we're going to learn how to compare numbers and try to figure out which one is less than, greater to, or equal to another number. So if you have this problem, which words make this statement true? 4 blank 5. So we need to fill in the blanks. And we need to figure out, is 4 greater than 5? Is 4 less than 5? Or is 4 equal to 5? And the best way to do this problem is to count. So when you count, 4 comes before 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because 4 comes before 5, we know it is less than 5. And another way to look at it is to look at a number line like this. And we could see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know 4 comes first before 5. So we know 4 is less than 5. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Just look at this video again, and it'll make sense if you look at it a couple more times.